Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through Android secret button tricks for all Android phones. So by this thing you can just do many things with one application. So to download it, just go to Play Store. Now in the top search bar, search for Assistive Touch. Now after searching for it, just install the first one. After installing this app, you need to just give some permissions. Now launch it. After selecting your language, just click the top right icon. Now to turn on your permissions, just click on OK. Now click on Assistive Touch and just allow these permissions. Now after that, here you will see the Assistive Touch is on. Now just click on this Assistive Touch, and after that again click on this permission. Again click on Assistive Touch, and here you will see you can just lock your phone by Assistive Touch. You can go home by Assistive Touch like this. You can just go to your settings here and you can just volume up or down by only Assistive Touch. You can turn on your Bluetooth, you can turn on your Wi-Fi, your location, you can silence your phone, you can just turn on flashlight by Assistive Touch. So guys, that's the hidden trick. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.